Welcome to another episode of Mocking Melodies, where today we'll be tackling if parodies are a comedy or a mockery. If you're in it for a good laugh, then parodies must be something you've listened to before, whether it's Waiting Here's a Pila by GMA's Bubblegang or Balikbayan Box by Mikey Bustos, just to list a few Filipino examples. Now, I'm sure you've heard a parody before. Now, whether or not you find it funny, that's up to personal discretion. And while parodies have their downsides, specifically in ethical and legal issues, they're also a great platform for creativity and expression. Parodies are a fun and lighthearted way people can express themselves and their voice. And why do I say that parodies benefit more than harm? Aside from the laughs, parodies promote creativity. Parodies over the ages have been used to promote creativity and can be used to express the artist's personal opinions on social issues and other pop events. An example could be Mikey Bustos' If Freddie Mercury Were Filipino Queen parody video, garnering 4.7 million views over the 4 years of it being published on YouTube. The star talks about the everyday lives of many in the Philippines, not having access to stable electricity, while the rest of the video talks about Filipino food and other Filipino culture in a lighthearted but truthful manner. Parodies can promote engagement on the original version. A study conducted by examining public data on 343 pop songs shows that original songs have more engagement in comparison to their parodized versions. As expected, right? If I heard a parody I liked, I would go and listen to the original too. But, of course, not all jokes are funny, and sometimes we need to learn where to draw the line. That's why some people may be against parodies, especially if they find them offensive or if they infringe copyright laws. Parodies were always made to be satirical, but at times they can be offensive or a mockery to people who can relate to the content of the parody itself. And with the legal issues involved as well, the anti-parodies team stays winning when parodies are marked for copyright infringement if there is no permission or consent from the right holder. I guess sometimes it really is better to be safe than sorry. And now it's up to you. Whether you choose to laugh at parodies or not, just remember that behind each parody is creativity and a message. The message could really just be a joke or a lighthearted way of voicing out the artist's take on some issues. Either way, always remember to do your research on copyright laws and laugh along to a parody every now and then.